best Buzzsprout tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Buzzsprout to start and manage your podcast. Buzzsprout is one of the most beginner-friendly podcast hosting platform out there. After signing up, your dashboard becomes your main workspace. This is where you upload new episodes, track stats, and manage distribution. To upload an episode, click on the Episodes tab, then Upload New Episode. You'll be prompted to add a title, description, episode number, and optional episode artwork. Buzzsprout makes it easy to edit these details later, so don't stress if it's not perfect the first time. One of the most helpful features for beginners is automatic podcast distribution. You can connect to Buzzsprout to Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and more, all within the Directories tab. Buzzsprout also gives you a podcast website which is customizable and automatically updates with each new episode. It's great if you don't have a separate site yet. There's also a stats tab that shows total downloads, listener location, and what platforms people use. This helps you see what's working and where your audience is growing. Buzzsprout offers dynamic and ad insertion and monetization tools too, but those are better explained after building a few episodes. And that's the best Buzzsprout tutorial for beginners.